This is How to Use QuickTime Player by Miko Stevens. What is QuickTime Player? QuickTime is a multi-platform and multimedia app used for movie recording, audio recording, and screen recording. Here's how to access QuickTime and the toolbar for QuickTime. First, you want to go to Spotlight, type in QuickTime Player. You're going to click on it when it pops up, and you want to see QuickTime Player in the top left corner next to the apple. Then you will see the File, Edit, View, Window, and Help. Here are the types of recordings. They are found in File. How to movie record. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to hit File. You're going to hit New Movie Recording. There's going to be a screen that pops up that records everything that's happening in real time. You're going to focus on whatever you want to record. Hit the red button and record whatever you want to show. So you're going to hit the button again to stop the video. Then your recording is going to pop up. This is the playback of whatever you just recorded previously. So here's just a video of me working on my project. You can also control the volume. And you can rewind your video twice as fast or 5 times as fast. You can fast forward the video twice as fast or 5 times as fast. How to audio record. You're going to hit File, and then go to New Audio Recording. You're going to click that. And you're going to hit the red button to record whatever audio you want. It can be a sound or your voice. And once you've done that, hit it again. Play it back so you can hear the audio. You can twice as fast to rewind it or 5 times as fast. And twice as fast to fast forward and 5 times as fast. The volume is controlled here. How to screen record. How to screen record is you're going to hit File. You're going to go to New Screen Recording. Next to the red button, there's a mic if you want to have the internal mic there. Just hit the button, you'll check it. If you don't want one, you just hit None. You're going to hit the red button to start your screen recording. Full screen versus selected and drag screen for screen recording. So you're going to hit File, New Screen Recording. You're going to hit the red button. Now box is going to pop up that reads click to record the full screen or drag to record part of the screen. We're going to click to record the full screen, so click anywhere. So everything that I'm doing right now is being recorded. I'm just going to type in basketball since I like to play basketball. Go to images. Go to the top of the screen. We're going to hit the top of the screen to hit the stop button right there. Right here is a recording of everything I did. It's a playback of it. So there's the screen, me typing basketball. Results popping up, me hitting images. And there's the end. For this one, you're going to go to File again, New Screen Recording. Hit the red button. Same box will pop up. This time you're going to click and hold to drag out how big you want to make the video. You hit Start Recording to record it. You can stretch it out as much as you want. This one I'm going to move it out over here. So it only records this section here. Hit Start Recording. I'm just going to type in something random. Chicken, since everyone loves chicken. And then how to save, share, and export. For saving, you're going to go to File, Save. You're going to type in what you want to save it as. For this one, I chose Audio 1. Click Save, and there you go. If you're done listening to your audio recording or your video or anything, you're going to go to File. You're going to hit Close, and that will automatically cause you to save it. For this one, I put in Audio 2. Hit Save. There you go. Save by closing it by hitting the red button in the top left. It will automatically cause you to save it. Think of a name. For this one, I chose Servo Test 1. And I'm saving it to the desktop. So after I hit the save button, you can see it on the right side of my screen. It will appear. I have a Q on it, and it'll be Servo Test Movie. For sharing, you're going to hit File, and you're going to go to Share. There's nothing there. Usually you would have some options to choose from, like YouTube or your Gmail. You just have to click one of those and put in the information. You can also share automatically by hitting the share button on your movie recording, and you have the options there. There's YouTube. If you wanted to go to YouTube, you would click on it. Put in your Gmail account and all your information. You can publish it right on there. Or if you don't have a YouTube, you can go to your mail. If you had to email it to someone. For exporting, you're going to go to File. You're going to go down to Export. There's going to be options there. If it was a video for 1080, 720, 480 for iPad, iPhone, iPad Touch, or Apple TV. Also, you can hit audio only, or you can go to iTunes. For this one, you're going to hit audio only. You're going to type in your audio. Chose audio 2, and you're going to hit save. And there you go. You'll export it. Thanks for watching, and good luck QuickTiming.